Welcome, everybody, to today's mentorship with PapaForex. This is May 22nd, 2024. And I'm here on vacation on California mountains. So I think I have a good connection. So we're going to start with the Zoom with a class today. We're going to talk about a new risk management, how to properly place orders, especially for those that receive the order mostly at night and you are sleeping. You don't have time to move stop loss to break even. You don't have time to do all this order management. So I'm going to teach you today a way that you can do it and just set it up and forget about it. So actually, we need to find a way to describe this uh, management. Maybe will be as set and forget. I don't know. We'll talk about it at the end. But and then we're gonna look for some Manara entries. Looks like we have two entries coming soon. Let me share with you Manara scanner. Give me a second. Right there. But also let me fix the screen and let me know if you have a nice view of the screen or not. Now, can you see the screen fine or not? Is it too small? Is it, tell me how it is. Can we keep it like this or not? Because this is a new monitor for me because I'm not home. So let me know if it looks little small. Yes, okay. How about this way? Does it look better like this? Yes, better. Perfect. Okay. Okay, very good. Very good. So I might not be able to see. Okay, because I cannot see the chat room like that. Hold on. Let me see how I can fix this. There we go. One second. So I'm just going to be back and forth with the chat. Okay, so we have two notifications that arrived. Remember that I start trading at 3 p.m. LA time. So 3 p.m. It's 15. So we got at 16.0, we got USDJPY, which is this one. And basically, this trade, this candle closed below. So normally I will place a sell order right here. Now the price is up here. This was too late. So sometimes, even though some trades arrive, some notifications arrive at 3 or 4, uh, you have to understand that the market just opened on Tokyo session, and I don't pay that much attention to it. I like more at night when it's close to London session. I like it more. So I take some trades after 3 p.m. LA time, but not too many. Most of the trades that I take is to show you the strategy. Now, for example, this one I didn't take it. Why? Now let me show you why. Let me show you why, because I need to share another screen. Uh, and I don't want to confuse you on the strategy, but I just want you to be careful on the times um, when you are trading. Okay, let me see if that's yeah, I think that's the one. See, yeah, can you see my screen there? Let me know if you can see my screen. That's an MT4. Okay, great. So what I wanted to show you here is why I don't take that trade, because it's too early. And look at this. This I have right here. I have super trend. Oh, it's too small. It's too small for you to see. But it's telling me that we on the monthly time frame, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 15 minutes, and even 1 minute. We're all in an uptrend. This is an uptrend. Okay. So that's why I'm not gonna go against the trend. Manara is saying take a sell, but I'm not gonna take a sell because everything is on a downtrend. I mean, on an uptrend. Why would I want to go down? You see? And this is what happens when you start trading too early. So I want to wait. Maybe the price goes down because it's doing a retracement. I don't know, but I just don't want to take the risk. I don't like to do stressful trading. Why? Why? If later is going to be better entries that are confluence with the trend, with the major trend, and what Manara is giving me. Because here, let me see. Let me give you now the other screen. Hold on. Let's go back to Manara. Yep, that's the one. Because here you can see the mayor. Look how it looks. I mean, there's no doubt about it. We're on an uptrend, right? So probably this is going to be a retracement. Like here, from here to here, there was a retracement. So maybe right here, we're in another retracement. Could be, could be. Do I want to take the risk? No. There's between now and the next 24 hours, there's going to be like 30 entries. Why do I want to pressure? Why do I want to push it? Nah, I'm just going to wait for this one. Now, let's check the other one. JBP JPY. JBP JPY. Now, let's see on Manara how it looks. JBP not on Manara, on MT4. Again, I don't pay too much attention on MetaTrader how the trend is, but it just today it made sense for me to double check the trend. JBP JPY is this one. Let me erase this, take away this. Look how the trend is. Let me see if you're looking at it. Yes. So you can see on the top left, it's very small for you, but all 100% of the time frames are in an uptrend. 100% on an uptrend. Why would I want to take a sell? It makes no sense for me. Let me go back to Manara. Makes no sense. So why again? Because it's just too early. Too early. No need to no need to place an entry immediately, once the market opens. No reason. Let's go to Manara scanner. Let's see how it looks on Manara. JVPJPY. See, the same thing. The same thing. Why? No. You know what I prefer? Since all time frames are pointing up, I will take a trade now, waiting for the price to arrive there. Now, this will not be the strategy that I taught you, but it is a valid entry for me, right? Since all time frames are going up, are on an uptrend, why not? Why not take this entry as soon as it gets here? I don't need to wait for a breakout because all time frames are telling me that we're on an uptrend. So let me see, 199, 475, 474. There we go, 275. Okay. And 1 to 1. 1 to 1 will be here, right there, which is 199,673. Yeah, right there. And I am going to place this one. This is going to be a pending order, and I'll give you all the setup right now. So, but this is the way I want you to do it. You are going to place two trades. Okay, let me put the two trades right here. One. This is, well, I know this management as the 60/40. 60/40. You will know why in a minute. 47474. Go. Stop loss 275. And this will be a 1 to 2. Then right there. Now look at this. Let me read your chat room. Too small to see. Makes sense. Okay. Now let me go back. So the way you're going to do it, I always sent you to take profits. Okay. So what I want you to do is first, I want you to analyze, to think how much percentage of your account balance you are going to risk per trade. You need to have that on mind even before you go into the trade. Now, in my case, I'm going to risk 1%. 1%. So I am going to risk because I'm going to divide that risk in two trades. So I'm going to risk right here. I'm going to risk 0.5%, 0.5% risk. Okay, on this trade from my balance, and I'm going to do the same on. Oops, what happened here? Hide, remove, and I'm going to do the same one here. So total risk will be 1%, right? If I lose the two of them, then I'm going to lose 0.5%. That means if I have $1,000, if I lose it, I'm gonna lose $10. If I lose it, there's no need to try to cut my veins. If I win, I'm not gonna try to go buy a house. So that's risk management, stress stress free. Okay, that's proper risk management. Now, this is what I'm going to do. Now, I need to calculate the proper lot size, which we already have a video for that. Now, let's say for the lot size calculation, you need the entry price, which is this one. You need your stop loss, and you need the total risk. So total risk will be 1%, and then you need the number of pips to your stop loss. So from here to here, it's 20 pips. It's 19.9 pips from here. How I know that? Because if you grab the calculator and you deduct the entry price, it's 199.474 minus 199, which is the stop loss, 0.275, is going to give you a result that it's 0.199. Now remember this, every time you are working with pairs that have JPY on them, either on the left side or the right side. every time you're working with JPY, you need to move the decimal point 2 spaces to the left, to the right, to the right. So subtracting this 199 275 from 199 474 is giving us 0.199. If I move the decimal point 2 spaces to the right, then that gives me 19.9. Now, looking at another place is right here in this tool. In these tools, that's why I like these tools. Right here it says stop 0.199. So if I move the decimal point 2 spaces to the right, then I have 19.9 pips. That's going to be the distance from your entry price to your stop loss. So you need this information, the total risk, in order to get the proper lot size. So let's say, for example, that you did the calculation and the total lot size comes to be equals one lot. Okay, I'm just putting a number, but let's say total is one lot. So this is the way you are going to divide the lot size. So on the first trade, which you're going to put TP1, you are going to risk 60% of the total lot size. So 60% of one lot, that's going to be 0.60 lots. Okay. And on the second trade, you are going to risk 40%, which is going to be 0.40 lots. Okay. So total, if you add the two amounts, then it adds up to one lot. So that, again, that's proper risk management. Let me read any comment here. No comments. Okay, let me come back to. So now, why once you set up the two trades, you just forget about it. We are just clapping for it to touch TP1. If it touches TP1, you are going to make money. It doesn't matter the other trade. Let me explain to you why. This is a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1. It means that if you risk 0.5%, you are going to make 0.5% maximum. Okay? Why? Because it's a 1 to 1 risk. So here, if you win 0.5%. Why? Because you're risking 0.5. You see how the red is the same size as the green? And now here, the red is half of the green. So that means this is 2 to 1. So if you win this one, how much you think you're going to win? Double than the red. So if you win this one, you're going to win 1%. Okay? 1%. That's it. Now look at this. If you win, you have 0.6 lots on this one, 0.4 lots on this one. So what is? Let me make make better numbers here, easier for us. I'm gonna do 1% here and 1% here because it's gonna be easier to do the calculations. Same, one lot size, 60% here, 40% here. So here we make 1%. Okay, if we win, and here we make 2% because it's a 2 to 1. Yeah, it's better like that. I like it like that better. Now look what happens if you win the first one. If you win the first one, you win 1%, right? Hold on, I'm losing communication here. Hold on. Give me a second. One second. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Now, I missed one step for you guys. I missed one step. Oh my god, because I have everything automatic. I lost one step right here. So the total lot size is one lot. That's fine. But also the total risk. Let me see. The total risk is 1%. Okay. Now here it is 0.60 lots because it's also 60% of the total lot size. And over here, is 40% of the lot size. I'm going to have to explain it to you again. Don't worry. Okay, there we go. So here, the risk is 60% of 1%. This will be 0.60%. And here, 0.40%. There we go. Sorry for the confusion, guys. Sorry for the confusion. And I'm gonna explain it to you again. You see? So here you make 0.60, and here you make double 0.80. There we go. Now it makes sense. Now it makes sense. Let me read you. No, okay, no comments. Now let's go back again to the explanation. So you decide to risk total amount 1%. You do the calculation, it comes to one lot. Okay, so even we can take this away. Let's take away the lot size, this, and then we can come back. I think this is better for you to understand. Yeah, total risk is 1%. So 60% of 1%, which is 0.6, you're going to risk on the first trade, and 40% of your total risk, which is 0.4%, is going to be on the second one. So if you win this one, the first one, you make 0.6% of your balance. Now, you don't need to move the stop loss. Leave it as it is. If you lose this one, you are going to lose only 0.4%. You already made 0.6. So if you lose 0.4, you end up making 0.2% of on this trade, even though it went all the way to your stop loss, because many times it hits the take profit one, and then it makes a retracement. It hits take profit one, and we decide to move the stop loss to break even, right? And then the price makes a retracement, it stops us, even it's a stop profit, but we're out of the game. And then it keeps going up and it reaches TP2. That happens so many times. And the reason, it does this, we're out, And the reason that I am showing you this new strategy is because I made a back test, and there was an immense amount of trades that were doing a retracement, and they were kicking us out, and we were losing the other TP. We were because we were out. So this way, it doesn't matter. Even if it makes a retracement, it comes back to TP1, it doesn't matter, because on this strategy, we are not moving the stop loss. Okay? I am not moving the stop loss anymore. I'm using the 60/40 because there's so many trades. There's so much money that I'm leaving on the table in the past, and this is going to help me uh, um, get it. Now, you have to understand this. Uh, you have to uh, make changes sometimes to adjust to the market. You have to adjust to the market, not the market to you. Okay, it's very important not to think inside a box. I have this strategy and always I have to do it like that. Well, yes, the entries, the exit, yes. Money management, this part, risk management, that's different. You need to adjust yourself to the market. Look where the price is. Look where the price is. We should be in this trade already. And let me send this info to the group. Okay, give me a second. Let me see. I'm gonna have to place this trade. Now I have 2 minutes. No, no, I'll do it in the next 5 minutes. Okay, it has to make a retracement. I have to do it in the next 5 minutes. So this is the strategy that I wanted to show you, the risk management technique that I am applying right now. Okay, and I want you to start applying it immediately today. We're gonna end this session so I can send properly this entry to the group, and I want you to take it. Okay, because you already saw how I'm doing it. I want you to do the proper risk, uh, proper lot calculation. Do it properly. Take your time. Don't be stressed. The price is going to retrace, so you don't need to be all worried about it. Okay, so let me read your comments there. Uh, how can we get to rewatch these video clips? I'm gonna upload it to the Telegram group. Okay, it's gonna be added to the Telegram group in about an hour or 2 hours, as soon as it's being edited. Okay, so you see how it's doing a small retracement. So we're gonna end up the transmission right now, and I'm going to send you on the Telegram group this signal. Okay, and I'll see you guys next week. But I'm going to upload another video in English. You need to go to my Telegram group, which is you go to your back office, go to Forex, Manara, and then you will see on top Manara Español, and go there. Okay, yesterday we took 2 trades. So see you guys next week, but I'm going to upload another video for you guys because this was a short one because we have to do this entry. Okay. Take care, guys. And then also you can contact me with any doubts that you have. I will respond to everyone. Everyone. If you don't have my contact info, Telegram, WhatsApp, just go to yesterday video. I always place that information there through my link tree. Okay, take care, guys. See you next week.